What up? It's your boy PA. You now tune back into the shop, and today we're just cutting and skipping through all the formalities, and we are going for a ride today on the new and improved GS750. It has a new tank, new seat that I made, new grips, brakes are done. There's just been a lot of like small tedious things that I didn't think that you guys would even care to see. So without further ado, I will show you the new colors on the GS750. Ha! Look at that. She looks good. Shout out to Mo at Mo Colors for painting the tank. That is R33. I think it's a GTST or a GTR color. I can't remember. I think it's a GTST color. But it's also a two-tone R33. So, went with the two-tone. Yeah. Also got the brakes working now. Got the brake light working as well now. This is what was on the tank. Like this thick. Ridiculous. And this was the seat before, and they had some holes drilled in the frame. So in the nick of time, because I was trying to make it to water sets, cars and coffee, I just went ahead, got the seat ready to go and put on there, but I will be welding and filling those holes that they put in for that. So but yeah, this is it. These grips too. So let's go for a ride. Whew. Man, this thing runs. It runs. It runs nicely. I feel like it could be a little better. Probably could use a little bit more tuning. But this thing is this thing's wild. Like, this thing has come a long way, and it's got even further to go. I wanted to make sure that it could run and drive and ride perfectly fine. It brakes fine, all of that. So now it's like, do I take it apart? Or I don't know. But this thing rips. So I will be making some subtle changes like turn signals and the rear brake light. I don't know how much I really like it being on the frame like that. It's just double-sided taped. So I'll probably try and like bolt something so that way I know it's good to go. But yeah, that is it. This thing rips and it is awesome. So it's your boy PA, you're now leaving the shop. Peace. Take it easy.